What is happening, everyone? Back with some more Lowheat today, doing another on-foot review for you. You guys seem to watch my first one I did, so I thought I'd dig out another pair of Lowheat from the closet and let you know what I think about them. Today, I have the Nike airmax 270 Bowfins in the, what is this, desert sand brown colorway. Before I forget, all the BS other YouTubers do, please make sure you subscribe if you like these videos, or if you've watched my other videos, hit that button. It takes a second. Just do it. Slide the mouse over, click subscribe. It helps me encourage me to do more of these. And if it's no skin off your back, that'd be great. So yeah, I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers, and if I do so, I'm gonna do a little something on YouTube here, take a little poll on my Instagram and a channel, see what you guys want me to buy, put up some options of things I've been eyeballing but haven't pulled the trigger on buying because I have a million shoes. But if I get to 100 subscribers, I'll totally do that, and you guys can help decide which ones I buy and unbox and review. Anyways, back to these. So these I saw a while back, and I thought they looked pretty dope. I like the ACG vibes and the Nike hiking apparel and all that. I hike, I camp, and I like pairing it with, Nike's aesthetic. That being said, I've had a pair of 270s. I have the ISPA like 270 not Reacts, but they're these like funky looking ones that look like they're made from like plastic mesh. Anyways, so I got these. I held off on these because like I don't need a million pairs of shoes. I held off. They're on sale. Then the colorways that I liked were sold out. And then one day at a Nike factory outlet, I was wandering through, and lo and behold, they had these in my size on sale for like $60. Get up to the cash register, they're on even further sale. So I got these, I think, for under 50 retail plus tax. They came out to a little over 50. So I got these for a steal, in my opinion. So then to the wear test, to how they've done so far. So I've only worn these like 4 or 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, I don't know, about 10 times. And the first time I wore them, I did a easy trail hike, not rugged terrain, just like dirt, basically, and some hills. And like 10 minutes in, the left side of my toes and here in the toe box felt cramped. And I was starting to walk funny. And it was not comfortable. Not comfortable at all. Now you might ask, well, did you get the right size? Well, I always go a half size up in anything, any sort of performance shoe or anything. I'm really 11.5 in any sort of casual shoes. And I go a half size up in any sort of performance shoes. I can always tell with stuff like this, it's going to be hard to get my foot in. I have big feet. So getting stuff into this, I always go a half size up to make it easier. I'll get to putting these on I'll do it right now. Anyways, these little pull tabs help you get giant feet into these things because they grip like a sock. So pulling on both these tabs as you get your foot in helps. But anyways, so back to my feet hurting. These do not stretch at all. This is like all synthetic. It's all synthetic here, so it's not like some leather that gives a ton. So the first time I wore these, my feet were hurting a little bit. So if you get these, wear these out on your break them in first in the house. Do not wear these out on like a first date. Oh, let's go hiking. You're like, oh, sweet. I'll wear some cool trail shoes rather than like my actual brown suede, ugly mom hiking shoes, dad hiking shoes. I'll wear I'll throw on these like Nike airmax joints that look dope. I hope you broke them in first because the girl, guy will be looking at you funny after 10 minutes in when you're walking like a duck. That being said, after the first wear, after that hike, these broke in, and now they're pretty comfortable. They're pretty comfortable. I've broken them in. There's no more of that tightness around the toe box. Oh, great. Someone decided to do construction right now. I hope you can hear me still. As for comfort, otherwise, these airmax 270s, there's like you do feel this huge air bubble. It's not squishy, if you know Air Maxes. It's not like a squishy comfort. It's more of a bouncy comfort. It is like you're walking on an air bubble. These look pretty dope, even with dirt on them, as you can see. I don't really understand. This is all the lace clip. It's all for decoration. Really, you slide these on and they're pretty tight. You're not, like I said, you shouldn't be wearing these doing any serious hiking. These are just like trail walking shoes. You could jog in them, but if you're a serious athlete, you're not buying Nike Air Maxes to go trail running or hiking in. These are great for people like me in California who don't exercise hard. We just go to like places like Runyon Canyon to be seen. And so these are great shoes if you can find them on sale, which I'll get to now. These retailed for $160, and they retailed for $160, and now you can find them under retail. In my size, you can find them under retail on StockX, Goat. Maybe they come out to a little bit more than retail with the shipping and fees, but take a look around. You can find these under retail. So if you can find these for under $100, I say that it's a good deal. I do not recommend getting these for retail price or above. Hard pass. But if you can find these on sale, I definitely think they're worth it. I think they're dope, but they exactly are what they are. Not performance shoes. They just look sick. They look sick and they're semi-comfortable. These are Nike soccer training socks, in case you're wondering. These pull tabs help you get into the shoe real nicely. I don't really cinch the laces at all. My foot is pretty tight. And again, any hiking that I'm doing in these so far doesn't need these to be like super tight. And going the half size up, I can fit thicker socks like this. So yeah, that's my review. Make sure to subscribe if you can. Check out my Instagram. If I can get to 100 subscribers, I'm going to cop some Lowheat that I've been eyeing. I got a few options, and I'm going to have you guys help me decide what I get. And yeah, that's about it.